Piñas, first possession, makukuha ng Leyte, but maagawan din naman agad. Speeding through the lane, and layup goes.
Hey, you see that early. The defense daw Korean firm daw.
Noted, I'll keep it in mind. Pwede naman pala. Able to escape, short stab, finishes off the glass. Excellent move coming from Ronnie Garan. Hinojales goes inside. Cartago, too strong. Second serving is good.
I always say this, you can't assume that your teammates...
Is Martin Mejia. Season attacks the defense and finishes. You don't really want to lead from beyond the arc. I've seen his Sean Howe really light it up from 3. As Sean Lucido. Shot is blocked. Lucido comes up with it. Finds Howe all ahead of the pack. Layup is short, but Season there to clean it up.
There you go, you're big.
Right? And what better way than a Manny Pacquiao MPBL league, right? As Nonato doing Dwayne Nonato things. Short that time. Nonato able to track down the offensive rebound. High up for an end one para kay Martin Mejia.
Nice find.
Dahan-dahan ng maalagwa dito ang San Juan. Now a 14-point lead. Biggest so far. Excellent spin move. Second try will go para dito kay Michael Sebidal.
Just like that.
Last shot time if ikaw ang Leyte. Although they throw it away. Ooh, almost a turnover. Nonato takes a look at the clock. Still 8 to work with. Mejia shows that that's off touch. Looking for Season on the block. And will finish underneath. That was Martin Mejia rather. 23 to 8 early here in the second. Sharma now in for the first time para sa Mighty Warriors. A bit of an awkward shot, but will get the roll. We'll take it, says Sean Rero. Almost a turnover. Nice pass. And the finish, di naman pinahiya ni Nathaniel Riparial.
High school at nabanggit nga nito na ever since 7 years old ay naglalaro na siya ng basketball pero wala lamang opportunity sa kanya mga paaralan para maging varsity. Kaya naman nung lumipat siya mula Laguna.
Well, that's why it's called Full Potential Basketball Club. Hindi daw yung tuturuan nila mag-dribble, yung mga ganun. Marunong na daw to, may mga alam na. They're just going to build on that.
Halfway through the second. Look at the lead down to 10, 25 to 15. Matias eludes his defender. Easy layup.
Quick first step for Rogy Matias. Dito sa side ng Leyte. As you see here, that getaway by Rogy Matias.
Season, his pass stolen. Great anticipation there in Sur Homes Leyte. Ooh. Bit awkward, but 2 points nonetheless. Tambong remaining in our first half. Timeout to try to stop some momentum building para sa Leyte. Look at that escape. Ang galaw naman, Ace Baldomero.
That's headed for them to complete kung ano man yung move. Medyo sino-shortcut pa nila. But in all honesty, it could be one of 2 reasons or both. So,
the reverse pivot and off the glass. Beautiful bucket.
takot-takot dyan
So through TIST, Philip, inaantay pa din natin yung through TIST natin dito. A long jumper will fall. That's a way to open here in the third. That board was Sharma. Celis looking ahead, finds Lucido. It stops on the dime, making sure he hits that short stab. First 2
Dipsy don't from Lucido.
Great kick out. A 3-pointer falls short. Another opportunity. Gets it closer. Jefferson knocks down the J.
Ito na okay naman na daw siya at pakiramdam niya na makakabalik naman siya sa laro mamaya. At nabanggit din naman ng ating medical team na hindi naman masyadong malalim ang naging cut. Kaya
Relojo kontra Nonato. Nice find. Able to finish. Roma. Kick out. Lucido for 3. Knocks it down. And that was Rogi Matias, rather.
Better off. There's that drive and the kick to Matias, courtesy of Reroma.
Leyte has to be careful. This is now a 13-point advantage para sa San Juan. Cartago couldn't hit on that short J. Relojo. Still no goal. Third opportunity, finally. Cartago hits.
Third time's the charm. Because ultimately, there are other players that are going to knock down their free throws. And collectively, that's going to work for you na 1 out to 1 out.
Relojo, would this be the shot? Ayaw pa rin talaga. Could hold for the last shot if they wish to. Finally, a three-pointer will fall para sa Sur Homes Leyte after 15.
Yes, you do, because you are more or less the same age. So it's gonna be about boxing out properly.
Another outside shot. No go. Cartago, another offensive rebound. This time, putback works.
Being at
Lucido. Pull up. That's a sweet-looking stroke.
and he's got in his groove after that free throw, making
Goes to the corner. Open for three. Hinojales. Ayaw pa rin. Relojo decides to pull up. It's Relojo for you. 9 now.
a
Nice
nice
to
pick.
keep his team in it. Celes looking to answer. Too strong. It's his own miss. That's the ball back. Back in the defense once again. This time drops it off for the easy finish.
And that drive and drop working wonders.
Nai-inlove na siya after hitting that three-pointer to begin the quarter. Almost a steal. Ito naman, tuluyan na naagawan and an easy finish for Richard Hular.
To take that layup, did not take it. Elected to pass.
Relojo finally getting the bounce. This guy doesn't shy away. Lead down to 5, the lowest it has been in quite some time. Yutok will finish with the left.
Lininis pa yung ring.
Relojo once again. Hinojales drops it off to Scott. Goes reverse and gets the scoop to go in. Picking up dito in our last half of the fourth quarter. That bucket from contest. 7-point lead being protected here by San Juan. Hinojales left wide open once more. Ayaw pa rin, but Scott says thank you. Pressure on the back from the front court. Almost a steal and tuluyan na nga naagawan. Hinojales all alone. Cuts the lead down to 3.
Don't waste as much time as you can.
Manny Pacquiao's junior MPBL. It's the first. It's the most to the sidelines. It's them both. 62 to 60. No foul provided, and they throw it away. San Juan is also in the penalty. Couldn't afford to give up any fouls. 5.6 seconds remaining. They get it into Relojo. Has been their hero. Attacks. Misses short on that lefty layup as the buzzer sounds to end the ball game.
What a finish. Down 17 points, clawing back, fighting back with a chance to win in the